Hello, this is Jerome Srilia, and today I'm going to share to you let's say, the 11th album na napuno ko during sa aking post-crossing. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. Actually, I'm having fun right now. Yeah! So, buksan natin yung pinakauna. This one is from Ukraine. Yeah. Matagal ko natanggap to probably because there's a war on that area, pero I'm still glad and na-receive ko siya. Just look at the stamps, right? Tapos yung glass may lighthouse pa. Na-receive ko to sometime in March, but this was been sent out way back, I don't know, probably August 2025. Next one is for the Year of the Horse. Galing tong Taiwan. Maxi card siya. Ito pa yung isang ano niya. Beautiful. Lagi ko nakapalitan to Ang ganda ng ano niya ng stamp. Ayan. I really like it. Then, this is our trains. Just sa mga theme na gusto ko is train. Pero it's okay. Ito naman is galing China. Very beautiful in stamps. And I really like it. Likewise, ayan pa, isa pang train. Wonderful. Diba ang ganda? Republic of China. Republic of China is Taiwan. Yeah, Taiwan pala yun. So, angat na natin tong cellphone na ito. This one is maliit. Hindi ko expected na maliit siya. This is from the US. Burlington Bridges. Ito galing sa museum. Really nice, right? Ito matagal ko na itong nakipag-swap sa akin Pero ngayon ko lang siya na-receive. This is from China. Nung maliit ako, may ganito ang kuya ko. Yung ate ko may ganito rin, yung umiitlog yung, nangingitlog yung yung hen, lumalakad yan, ilalagay mo to, tapos mangitlog siya. And this one is, meron niyang parang thread sa ilalim, tapos may itlog, iikot-ikot mo siya. Yeah. Kaya, ko to, request. And this is from People's Republic of China. And I really like it. This what? Yeah. I think this is a homemade card. This is from Nigeria. It took almost 2 years bago ko na-receive to. Pero I'm so glad na-receive ko siya. See? It's from Nigeria. Na-receive ko lang sometime in March. Yes, tingnan mo nga, This is way back 2024. 7 July 24, 2024. Imagine, OMG! It took some time, pero I'm glad na receive ko. Sana yung mga hindi ko pa nare-receive na postcard, ganun din ang mangyari. Isa pa to, Nigeria. Pero different person to. Same ata, si Ruth din. Wonderful. 1771 or 4 kasi hindi ko na ginagamit tong address na to kasi hindi ko na re-receive. OMG sila. This one is really nice. It's a lighthouse with a sunset. Yeah, Australia. May lumang stamp pa na linagay. Tapos, ayan. That's Australia. $3. March 25, 2026 na receive New South Wales. This one is Padar Island, Baho. I think this is somewhere in Indonesia. What I am glad here na sabihin natin na na-receive ko pa rin siya kahit wala na yung stamps, 'di ba? Na-receive ko. Pero ayan meron siyang ano dito. Malaysia. No, wala. This is from Canada. Kasi because of this one, kaya pinili ko yan. Very rare lang ako makareceive ng ng blue cat. Canada. Those are the stamps. Wonderful. Meron pang something. Something sa taas na like that. Cutie. This one too, galing sa Taiwan. MaxiCard. I really like it. So there you go. Nasa harapan yung niya. Ang nice nito, 'di ba? Special stones. Another train. This is from Taiwan. Very nice yung stones na. This is March 5, 2026. Ito blind blind swap. It is from I just can't read it Let's zoom in. Germany. This is from Germany. Ito matagal ko na tong nakipag-swap. Ngayon ko din kailan ko lang na-receive. Nice one. Nice. Mga larong bayan. Ay! Baliktad. Ito yung mga stamps niya. From Malaysia. This one is from India. Minsan may mga lukot-lukot talaga yung mga okay lang. Kasi that's the way it should be sometimes. Diba nice, India. Another one kasi parang gusto ko ng animals, ibon, lighthouses, and then what else? Bridges, trains. Yan, ang ganda ng ng stamps. Ito naman yung yung nakipag-swap ako and sa Bear Postal Services in the USA. Bear lang siya. Whale shark, butanding in Filipino. This one is the skillings. I think this is in Ireland. Let's double check. Yeah, Ireland, di ba? Ang liit lang ng niya. Actually, ako yung nag-send out nito and then nag-return to sender. I don't know sa US bakit minsan bumabalik yung mga pinadadala ko doon. Ganyan ako mag-send out may mga buntings, may mag-swim, and then my cat. This one is nice. I forgot where it is. Let's check at the back. This is more likely para siyang City Hall. This is from Australia. What exactly is this one? This is from Bangladesh. Na-miss siya sa Thailand. Tapos sinagyan pa niya ng tren kasi alam niya na mahilig ako sa tren. And then, sinabihan ko siya na basta meron akong nakipag-swap ako sa kanya ng tren na hindi dumating eh. This one is nice also. I think this is from Poland. May mga series ako na birds na inano sa kanya na from Poland. No. Sorry naman. Poland, pero pinahulog niya sa asawa niya sa Germany kasi mas mura daw doon yung postal. Pero, nagtaka siya bakit mas nauna pa yung dumating galing Poland kaysa galing sa Germany na hinulog. Ganun talaga. Nice, right? Yeah. Tapos, succeeding transaction namin, puro sa Poland na. Puro Germany. Marami siyang request na postcard sa akin kasi collector siya ni Renoir. Yung mga impressionist na postcard medyo madami ako. Yung sa akin naman, gusto ko lang naman i-dispose. Ayan, owl. Napaka-majestic nitong owl, oh. Para siyang royalty. Right? Ayan, hinulog sa Germany ng asawa niya. Ito mukha siyang migratory bird. Yan, dami kong sa kanya. Ito naman is rhinoceros. Nakakita na ako ng ganito sa Vietnam. Kanya lang in steady position siya. This is from Czech Republic. Ito, panda, kumakain ng bamboo. Ano lang to? Parang homemade, pinirint niya, pero maganda. I like it. White against green, and then yellow. This is from Germany. Ang dami niyang Yeah. This one is from Singapore. Ang cute to. This one, nakipag-swap talaga ako sa kanya. Matagal na. Kaya lang, may mga times na hindi nakakarating sa akin ang pinapadala niya. Pinili ko to kasi it reminds me ng during pandemic ng COVID-16. This one, may mga collection ako ng ganito, mga pusa. Which is I like. Galing siya USA. See? Ito naman, gusto lang niya makipag-swap. Fine. And this is from Indonesia. I really like yung Year of the Horse. Very sparkly siya. Yung mga ko pala na to, ina-address ko na sa office namin. Nice, no? Kitty cat. Kasi supposedly, train talaga yung pipiliin ko, pero nakita ko siya. Sabi ko, ito na lang. I was torn between these two. So, I'll choose na lang this one. It's from